Saving more money and spending less requires intentional choices and a shift in mindset. Begin by tracking your spending to understand where your money is going. This awareness can help you identify areas where you can reduce costs. So start with discretionary expenses such as dining out, entertainment, impulse purchases. Cutting back on these areas can free up more funds for savings. Create a budget that aligns with your financial goals and prioritizes savings. Consider setting aside a portion of your income for savings before allocating money for other expenses. Automating your savings makes this process easier, ensuring that you consistently put more money aside before spending it. Simplify your lifestyle by choosing more cost effective alternatives. Cooking at home, for instance, is much cheaper than eating out regularly. You can also buy in bulk, use coupons, or opt for generic brands to lower your grocery bill. Reducing subscriptions or memberships that you don't even use anymore. That's a simple way to cut unnecessary spending. Another key to saving is practical, mindful consumption. Okay? So before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this truly necessary? Or if there's a less expensive option. By being more intentional with your money, you're going to not only save more, but also develop the habits that contribute to long term financial stability. Let me know if this helped.